we are now in Flagstaff, Arizona. We left off in the last video in Sedona, Arizona. Made our way up here to Flagstaff. It is quite a bit cooler. We're up a couple thousand more feet than in Sedona. And you probably can just barely see there's a snow-capped mountain right in front of us. Temps were down to about, I believe, 28 last night. So a little chilly at night, getting up to the mid-50s during the day. So still a little cool here up at this elevation. And the reason why there was a little bit of a break in the videos as far as filming between Sedona and Flagstaff, we had a little bit of rodent trouble. I actually had mice in my van, was able to trap a couple and get them out of the van. And unfortunately on the drive up the hill from Sedona to Flagstaff, Kelly's check engine light went on her truck. So we pulled over and popped the hood, and she had a nest in under her hood. So the mice were obviously in her truck as well, and unfortunately chewed one of the wires. That's why the check engine light went on. So we had to find a shop in Flagstaff. Fortunately, they were able to find it. It was a simple fix. It was just a sensor wire. And the mechanic did see the mouse in there and said it ran back into the body somewhere. So we're still working on trying to trap that mouse and get it out of her truck so she doesn't have any further problems with the wiring being chewed. This is an issue that can happen when you're boondocking long-term out here. If you leave your vehicle static too long, rodents will want to try to nest in it. So we've been practicing keeping our hoods popped at camp. Sometimes that can deter them, obviously in her situation, because the nest was right up near the battery on the top of the engine. Having her hood popped probably would have prevented that, so we're going to be doing that from now on. Kind of live and learn situation, but we are still a little worried that that little bugger is still in there and will continue to chew the wires. So we've been setting traps every night with no luck so far. So we're going to continue on that. We're going into Flagstaff today to take a shower at the Aqua Park, a water park. They have indoor pools and that. I would do my outdoor shower setup, but like I said, it's been quite chilly. So we're going to go ahead and treat ourselves to an indoor shower and pick up some mail in town and then find another camp around Flagstaff. So we will resume. Just wanted to give you a little update of what's been going on. The adventure does continue. Away we go. Well, it is nice to be back in the trees. Spent a little bit of time in the deserts this winter. Temps are just so much more mild than up at these higher elevations. Keeps heating costs down. Just makes life a little bit more enjoyable. But it is nice to be up in these cool, crisp mountain temperatures. I'll take it. Cruising through downtown Flagstaff here. This is kind of the historic district. Neat little town. I really like Flagstaff. Realized I need to stop at the post office on the way out, so that's what we're doing, cruising through here. Then we'll be back to finding a camp. Coming up on historic Route 66 here. Okay, actually I've been to this post office before. It's all coming back to me. I'm just dropping off some stickers. Thanks guys for ordering some of my stickers. Hop out real quick and do that. Wow, looks like we got about 7 miles to a little section of national forest here just outside of Flagstaff. Let's go see if we can camp there. Well, it is definitely open for camping here. It's so open that we might not be able to find a spot. There are quite a few people here already. Not liking the looks of it. The road looks pretty dry. Ooh, there's some deep ruts here. I think we can navigate it. Easy now. That was sketchy. That if I slipped off into that rut, it could have got ugly real quick. And it looks like I see a little spot for 2 right here. We'll take it. Looks like Kelly navigated that rutted road pretty well. She's got a 4-wheel drive truck, pretty good clearance. So if I could do it, she could definitely do it. And we might have snagged one of the last spots here. Okay, well, we'll give you a little shot of the camp here. Kind of up on this little hillside, right in the trees. And again, there are a few people camped here, but everyone's kind of down in this front area. So we're up here all on our own, and it's about time to get some dinner going. So I'm gonna show you guys a new little grill I got. Okay, so this is it here. Packs up pretty small. Comes with its own little case. I have used this quite a few times, and I haven't cleaned it so well after each use, so it would show up nice and shiny stainless steel. See the base, it's all fold up. Goes just like that. And there's this portion here. It's in like that. Then there's our lower piece that catches the ash from the coal. And then a lower grill that you set your coals on. And then your top grill that folds out like this and fits right on top. Pretty slick. And after my first use, I noticed that the top grill is a little loose, and if you're cooking something that's stuck to it, you use your spatula, it kind of wants to slide the grill off. So I was at Home Depot and found these springs here that you can attach, actually if you put it this way, to the lower base up on this edge of the grill, one on the other side. And that helps it from sliding around. So I'm gonna get some coals in there and get this thing going. Okay, let's get some charcoal in this thing. Take that grill right off. Okay, I don't have any lighter fluid. This is not match light, so I'm gonna use the blowtorch method. Okay, so now that we got the coals warming up, we've got some stuff marinating here. We've got some beef.
Red bell pepper and zucchini, onion and mushroom.
And
deliciousness.
All marinating in our special concoction here.
Aloha shoyu. Soy sauce.
How do you say that again?
Aloha shoyu.
Shoyu. And Worcester sauce. I just call it Worcester.
What do you call it?
Worcester sauce. It's not Worcestershire, it's just Worcester sauce. This is a Trader Joe's 21 season salute. Love this seasoning. Get a little bit of cayenne pepper and then a bunch of ground black pepper. So that's our marinade. This has been in there, geez, almost an hour. So now it's time to skewer it up. All right, so we're gonna start out with the mushroom. All the way down. Who doesn't
like a good fungus?
And then some onion. We've got, I think, enough onion to do quite a bit, so, but we'll go with one. We need to get everything open here so it's accessible. This is gonna get a little messy. Try not to spill our marinade. We'll go with some zucchini, bell pepper. We'll just pretty much do this repeated. Thing of beef. Oh, this is gonna be good. So marinated.
That beef is so...
And then we'll repeat mushroom, onion, yada yada. Maybe another onion up against the beef, huh?
Sure, we've got plenty.
Plenty of onion. Like that. My only concern is if everything is going to cook evenly, but we're just going to go with it and see what happens.
It'll be fine.
You think it'll be good? Another piece of beef. I think this might be kind of amazing, but I don't know for sure. Call that a skewer. Okay, so this is what we ended up with. We got 3 of the main skewers here, and this 4th one's just kind of the leftovers with a couple little pieces of meat, mostly veggies. Coals should be about ready, so let's get these things on. Well, the coals are looking good and ready. Let's get these things on. Okay, we're kind of improvising a little bit. We're using this big pot to hold some of the heat in. Ow, that's a little warm. I do typically use this. This did not come with the grill. And for smaller things, this covers up like burgers and stuff really good to hold the heat, because this grill does not have a lid. So it looks like they're coming along. I've already flipped them once. Give them another flip there. So we'll just let them be. We'll put this pot back on top, holding some of that heat. Just like that.
Oh dear.
It's not recording, is it?
Yes.
Oh dear. Alright, it's down here. This is the focus. Okay, we think we're ready. We got our little makeshift grill cover here. It's definitely hot, but not too hot to handle.
Too hot, too hot.
And yeah, we're getting some nice steam off of this.
Oh, they smell so good.
It's the smell that's getting us. So we'll pull these off. And yeah, that meat's sizzling. It's going to be good. Okay, so we got our plate here. I think I can do this.
Yeah, don't drop it.
Don't drop dinner. Still got plenty of coal. Yeah, these are looking good. Okay, it's dinner. We got plenty of food, I think. Let's get it inside. Pull this stuff off the skewers.
Action.
Okay, so we are going to slide everything off here. See how it tastes. See if we can do this in one shot here. Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Nice
There it is.
skills.
Let's start with one. I think that's my plate, so that'll be mine. Ready
See
for
how it
yours?
is.
Okay, now it's time for yours. See if I can do that in one clean shot like I did. Not fling everything everywhere. Uh-oh, it's binding up. It's binding up.
Ooh.
There it is. Look at that. So we sliced open the meat there, and it's just a little pink in the middle. That is exactly how I like it.
Perfect.
Perfect. So we're going to give it a try. All right, first off, we got to try this delicious meat. It's good. Still real juicy. Slightly dry, but still juicy enough. I'm glad we pulled it off when we did. But with the marinade, man, it's delicious. I got to try one of these mushrooms here. Mmm.
Good.
Very good.
Gotta put this down.
We got to get busy because it's starting to cool off. Thanks for watching, everyone. I hope you enjoyed the video. If anyone's interested in the little grill that I showed in this video, I did get that through Amazon.com. I have it in my Amazon store. I'll leave a link in the video description if you're interested. Otherwise, we look forward to seeing you soon in the next video. Take care. Peace.